Hi guys, long time no see, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Brittany. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I DIY one of my favorite conditioners, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. So the first thing you're going to need is an avocado, and you want to make sure that the avocado is ripe. So that way it can be soft, because when you blend it together, we're really going to need everything to strengthen our hair. And then next, we're going to need an aloe vera plant, and the inside is the most important because of the gel-like consistency. It's going to condition your hair and make it soft. And it feels really cool to play with, but yes, so we're going to blend up the avocado first to make it smooth, because that's the hardest part. Have you ever tried to blend a banana in the blender or an avocado and try to use it as conditioner? If you don't blend it up well, it's going to stick to your hair, and even eggs. So this is what the texture is of the aloe vera plant. It's really slippery and it was hard to cut, so you have to be careful when you cut the insides, because you don't want to cut your fingers. That would not be safe. So we're going to place everything in the cup, and it just looks so like oddly satisfying to me. I don't know, it's just so weird. But now, once this is in the cup, we're going to blend it up, and it's going to create a custard like consistency. And you guys can see right here that everything is mixing together, and it's going to create a custard like consistency, or like a yogurt like, and I'll show you that in a few. Right here I'm adding honey to draw in moisture, castor oil for healing properties, and rose water to strengthen the hair. And here's the consistency of the mixture. And next I'm going to apply it to my hair damp. Now I'm just going to show you the first few sections, so this video won't be long. And I'm just smelling it. It smells actually pretty good. I didn't add any essential oils because I'm using the wild growth oil in my wash and go. So if you want to actually see me do a wash and go, click like and leave a comment. But right here I'm just applying the product to damp hair. Um, it's just going to make my hair really defined and moisturized. And as you can see, the little chunks in my hair are the aloe. The leftover aloe I went ahead and placed in my hair and my scalp just to condition my scalp, and then I went back in with the the mixture that I made to put on the ends of my hair. And I'm actually going to let this sit for like 25 to 45 minutes and rinse it out. And I actually had to run an errand, so it stayed in for about 45 minutes before I rinsed it out. So as you can see, like, it's defining my curls, and it's easy to detangle my hair. My hair is not matted or hard. I didn't even have to comb my hair. And then this is the aftermath. Like, I just washed my hair. I didn't shampoo it. I just rinsed everything out. And as you can see, the little stringy pieces, I had to sew in, and I got heat damage because I had leave out. So I'm working on that. You guys, don't judge me. This right here is after I applied products on my wash and go and my hair dried. And after creating the DIY mixture, my hair is moisturized, defined, fluffy. You can actually see the texture of my curls. And even with color, it's strengthening. I don't know what's going on with the video. It's tripping. So yeah, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe.